it's a journey that you only through the experience of this film. It's an experience you will never have, probably, unless with this book or with this film. This character, Ryland Grace, wakes up in space with no memory. And he slowly regains his memories, and he realizes that the reason he's there is that the sun is dying. Then
I'm gonna call you Rocky.
an alien shows up
For the same reason.
who's
His son is dying too.
also trying to save the sun.
Save our planet,
And
so we have to learn how to communicate.
they form this incredible friendship as they each try to save their home worlds. There just were so many incredible layers to it, and just really hopeful. I mean, even though it is about the sun dying, it's hopeful in the sense that it supports this idea and believes in this idea that we're capable of anything, no matter how bleak it seems, that as long as you don't give up hope, that really anything is possible.
It's now or never.